आपके समक्ष खड़ी हूं तो बहुत प्रसिद्ध दो पंक्तियां याद कर रही हूं। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा। हम सब ने फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार का नारा दिया था और जनता के आशीर्वाद ने और जनता की दुआओं ने इस नारे को यथार्थ में परिणत किया। सेवा, सुशासन और गरीब कल्याण विचारधारा को आधार करके तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार भारत देश की जनता की सेवा में जुट चुकी है। यह कहते हुए फक्र हो रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पूर्ण बहुमत ओडिशा राज्य में, जहां से मैं आती हूं, वहां हासिल की और अभी ओडिशा राज्य में लोगों की सेवा का कार्य हमने शुरू कर दिया और 18वीं लोकसभा का जो यह मेरा वक्तव्य है, यह भुवनेश्वर लोकसभा के अधिवासियों, मेरे भाइयों और बहनों के प्रति मैं समर्पित करती हूं, जिन्होंने दूसरी बार मेरे ऊपर आस्था दिखाई और मुझे लोकसभा भेजा। Respected Chairman, sir, since yesterday I have been sitting here and I have been hearing all the opposition leaders, one after the other. They all have been accusing BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, of spreading hatred and violence in the country. Bharatiya Janata Party is being projected as a political party which has sinister designs and which is creating disharmony in the society. Dear friends from both the sides, the fifth largest economy in the world and its GDP does not grow at around 8%, which was in 23-24 per annum, with a kind of doomsday bleak scenario that all of you are painting about the country. This happens, we become fifth largest economy and our GDP grows at around 8% because there is good governance in the country. There is peace in the country and there is stability in the country. We must understand this. If we have seen record exports of $780 billion in 23-24, if India has become the second largest exporter of mobile phones in the world, if India has emerged as the biggest exporter of rice in the world, if the Indian engineering goods are finding place in the nooks and corners of the world, if the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex points cross 79,000, then, my dear friends, it does not happen in a society ripped by violence and hatred. It happens in a society where there is strong, able, decisive, efficient government. And that is why we all need to, all of us, we all need to acknowledge this particular aspect.